Hello, welcome back. This is Ray with the Ray's Engines. Thanks for watching my channel. Before we continue, if you could just hit that like button, hit the bell, and subscribe to this channel. That way you don't miss any future videos, how-to videos, because we'll be putting the fight tech on this one. And again, if you've been watching, you've seen all these series. I believe this is part 8, where the engine gets started up. I've already broken in the engine. I did a 20-minute at 2,000 RPMs because it does have a flat tapicam, and this is the stuff that I use because it has zinc in it. So I like to use this because it has zinc in it. You can use any brand as long as it has zinc in it. This one you can put 6 quarts for this one container. If you don't put zinc in it, you're going to flatten out the cam. So make sure you install zinc in it and install good oil in it, and then break it in for 2,000 RPMs at 20 minutes minimum. Again, I'll make another video showing you how to bring it to top dead center, which is bringing it up to compression stroke. That way you can put the distributor in there, face the rotor to the direction of the #1 spark plug. That way the engine fires up the first time and you start your braking process. Like I said, this is the moment you've been waiting for. You've been with me this whole time, so we're going to get this engine started up. So here it goes. Got to warm it up. Come this way. As you can see, I'm out a little higher, that way it warms up. Look at the oil pressure. Oil pressure's good. That's why it's good to have good bearing clearances. Almost 60. The oil pressure goes up. That's great. You always want that. Now we're going to see how it revs up. Okay, come on back. As you can see, it revs up real good. Sounds good. Like I say, you just saw a little bit of the revving. So there you go. This is what you've been waiting for. Engine sounds good, revs up smooth. It revs up fast. Yes, these are old spark plug wires that I use, but this is the distributor and the wires that I use for my test engines. Again, this is the engine we put together. As if you've been following and watching, we assembled it, put it together. This does have an RV cam, so it has a very slight, very minor lobe. So again, if you go back and watch the other videos, you'll get to see how we put it together and how it runs. There's no oil leaks, and that is why I like to use that one-piece oil pan seal gasket. I don't like to use the other gaskets. I like to use that one piece. That way you don't have any oil leaks, because who likes oil leaks under the garage? Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for future videos. We will be installing the FiTech system. As you can tell, we started it up. Sometimes they won't stay running unless you rev it up for it to warm up. Excuse me, for it to warm up. So we're going to install the FiTech system. We're going to do a step-by-step. That way you can learn how to install one of those, and you won't have any problems with cold starts. It'll run better. Throttle response will be better. Fuel mileage will be great. So again, stay with me and watch the future videos, and we'll do a FiTech together, and we'll do a step-by-step. Again, subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up, hit that bell so you're alerted when I put a new video up. And if you will comment on my YouTube channel, or you can reach me on Ray's Engines on Facebook and message me what you would like to learn or what videos you want me to put up, and I'll get that up for you. Again, thanks for watching.